Sister in the taking out of Tamara Geddes from Trelawney gets 20 years behind bars. Hi again and welcome. This is Links007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links007 TV News Report. Thanks for joining us. Nadine Geddes, the 39-year-old Trelawney farmer who pleaded guilty to the murder of her younger sister, Tamara Geddes, was sentenced to 20 years for the offense in the Trelawney Home Circuit Court on Tuesday. Before she was sentenced, her two daughters, one a minor, had pleaded guilty to misprision of felony when she appeared in the Trelawney Circuit Court last month. The two sisters were both given non-custodial sentence and placed on 3 years probation. Tamara Geddes, who was aged 36, was taken out in her Falmouth home by a gunman on Friday, June 19, 2020. It took the police months of coordinated investigation across the parishes of Trelawney, St. James, Westmoreland, and the corporate area that led detectives to arrest the sister and charge her with the crime. The two daughters as well were arrested in relation to this matter, 21-year-old Shanice Ruddock and a 15-year-old who is described as a minor so she could not be named. The 24-year-old was also arrested in the case, who goes by the name Brian Shelley, and another individual goes by the name Roxanne Knott, who was 23 years old, both of Norwood in St. James, and Owen Irvin, who was said to be 33 years old, Tashana Young, both of a St. James address. Knott was freed when he appeared in court on February 8 due to the insufficient evidence to mount a viable case against him. Reports from the police were that on June 19 about 8:30 p.m., Tamara Geddes was in her room with her daughter when a gunman entered the house and demanded money. The gunman then shot her several times before escaping. The daughter escaped unhurt. The police were alerted and Tamara was rushed to the hospital where she succumbed to her injuries. On Tuesday, July 14, Nadine Geddes along with her two daughters were taken into custody along with Owen Irvin, and they were charged in connection with the crime. The other accused were subsequently arrested and charged by investigators. This has been Links007 TV News Report, and we'll have a subsequent update to come on this story. Thanks for watching.